Thailand has introduced new protections for air travelers. The Civil Aviation Board notification number 101 officially took effect on 20th May 2025, giving both international and domestic passengers clearer rights and fair compensation when flights don't go as planned. Hello, I'm Per from Siam Legal International. For over 20 years, we've helped travelers and businesses stay up to date with Thailand's legal changes. In this video, I'll explain what this new law covers, how it helps you as a passenger, and what steps you should take if your flight gets delayed. So let's dive right in. The Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand now requires airlines to follow strict rules when flights are delayed or cancelled. And these rules apply to both international and domestic flights. Let me break it down for you. For international flights, if your departure slips past the 2-hour mark, the airline must give you food, drinks, and free calls or internet so you can reorganize your plans. If the delay stretches past 5 hours, you are entitled to 1,500 baht in cash, vouchers, or miles. If you need to stay overnight, the airline must cover your hotel and transportation. You can also choose to cancel and get a full refund or voucher. Now, this is where it gets interesting. If the delay goes beyond 10 hours, you receive extra compensation based on the flight distance. 2,000 baht for flights of up to 1,500 kilometers. 3,500 baht for flights between 1,500 and 3,500 kilometers. 4,500 baht for flights over 3,500 kilometers. If your international flight is cancelled and you are denied boarding, the carrier must pay you the same compensation owed for delays longer than 10 hours. The only exceptions apply when the airline gives you at least 7 days notice, rebooks you on a flight that leaves within 3 hours of the original time, or proves the cancellation resulted from extraordinary circumstances that no reasonable measures could have prevented. And speaking of domestic flights, if you're flying within Thailand and your plane runs more than 5 hours late, the payout now doubles to 1,200 baht. It used to be 600. A full-on cancellation gets you 1,500 baht, up from 1,200. The airline can swap cash for a credit shell, travel voucher, or mileage points, but only if the value meets or beats the cash amount. Quick side note, these payments don't apply when the holdup comes from events outside the airline's control, such as severe weather or airport closures. Now, moving on to what happens if you're stuck on the plane. The law also sets rules for tarmac delays. The airline must keep ventilation running and toilets working. If you need medical help, they must provide it right away. And if you're sitting there for over 3 hours without a clear departure time, you have the right to leave the plane, unless it's unsafe to do so. So what's the takeaway? International travelers, including visitors from Southeast Asia, now get protections that match many top aviation markets. Domestic passengers also receive better compensation and a clearer process when things go wrong. This gives you more confidence to book flights in Thailand, knowing your rights are protected. Before we wrap up, let's talk about what you should do if your flight gets delayed. Always keep your boarding pass, booking confirmations, and receipts. You'll need these for any claims. Know that you're entitled to under the law. If necessary, speak directly with airline staff and request what you're owed. Take photos or videos as proof of the delay. Don't wait too long to file your claim. Airlines may set time limits for submitting a request. Thailand's 2025 flight delay law gives passengers stronger rights and better treatment when flights get delayed or cancelled. At Siam Legal, we're here to keep you informed about the latest legal updates and help you with any legal questions you may have. For expert guidance, feel free to contact us using the details below. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates on Thailand's legal changes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next update. สวัสดีค่ะ